Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a fire smoke alarm. Okay, so this is our smoke alarm. It's just a battery operated one, so no electrician needed for this one. So the back just screws off. This part screws either to the wall or to the roof or wherever you want to put it, and that's the alarm. This one's pretty cool because if you haven't got the battery in, you can't put on the cover. So that's a safety feature. Pretty cool, I reckon. Alright, let's install the battery. So it's a normal 9-volt battery. Just installs like that. Now the battery's in, you can put this back cover on. But we'll need this off to install it to the roof. Just make sure the red light turns on and it's ready to go. I'm going to use these screws to install it to the roof. Just a normal Phillips head screw with a coarse thread, and just one in each hole. One there and one there. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so before installing it, you want to make sure there's no wiring in the roof that you drill into, and also no wooden beams that will be in your way. So what we're going to do first is drill 2 pilot holes and then we'll screw it in. Okay, so that's the pilot holes. Now we're going to install this. Okay, now you want to make sure you go really slow with the drill or your electric screwdriver, otherwise you can break the roof and the alarm will fall out. So once it's started, it's probably best to go by hand. And do it up evenly as well. Once you're happy with that, now you can install the alarm. Okay, so you've got the alarm here. Line it up. Push it up and then twist it. And that's it. And then make sure it works.